Hey friends, welcome back to the
When
channel.
was the last time I cleaned here? God knows. Let's do a little dust test. Yeah, we need a deep clean. Let's dive right in.
Either clean along with me or watch to get motivation.
So to tackle all of that, I'm going to use my trusted Fairy Skip the Soak. This is perfect because over there is a combination of dust and grease, and I find that this works magically. This is the trusted product that I choose to use. Let's dive right in. You don't actually need to use a minky scrubber, even just your regular dishcloth or whatever cloth you use to tidy up around the house works really well. As you can already see, it's removing all the grease and buildup. So there.
After rinsing the cloth, I'm just going to wipe the surface again just to remove any remaining of the cleaning product. And I'm going to spray a little bit of white vinegar. I find like this works really well for me. It just removes any water spots and any stubborn lime scale and stuff like that. I know other people tend to use a baby oil. I see like apparently it's very effective and it's an inexpensive way to clean and polish your chrome. It removes water spots as well and fingerprints. So that's it from me. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I'll see you soon. Bye.